as you develop people, as you mentor people, they will not just grow, but sometimes they will be promoted. And hopefully, I don't know the culture in your company, but at least promotion is merit-based. Hindi to dahil seniority, dahil nauna ka. But kung sino yung magaling, siya yung pipiliin. Right? So, merit-based. And minsan, ito yung dilemma in the clients that I'm talking to, or the challenges in some organizations. Sometimes, the people you develop got promoted except you. Na-experience nyo ba yun? Or may na-chismis na kayong gano'n na parang ako nagturo dito pero ba't siya yung na-promote, right? I'll give you a story. This is my mentor, Rodnel. So this is me, and then this is Rodnel. And nung nagpapa-mentor ako sa kanya, I really want to grow in leadership. And then here's what he said. Marami siyang sinabi, but here's one thing he said that stuck to me and it shaped my leadership philosophy. Sabi niya, Neil, I want you to become better than me. I want you to become better than me. So, nung sinasabi niya yun, parang, how can I be better than him? Eh, sobrang galing na niya. Pero that's the thing. If you are not madamot sa learnings, sa skills, hindi lang gagaling yung dinidevelop mo, pati ikaw gagaling. So, that shaped me. So, now, as I mentor through the decades or a decade, hindi lang gumagaling yung mga tao. Pati ako kasi nare-reinforce yung learning eh. Hindi ko nakakalimutan eh. Because leadership is developing people to become better than us. I hope that we will not be insecure when we help people tas sila yung na-promote. Eh, dapat masaya nga tayo. Ibig sabihin, magaling ka magturo eh. Right? But syempre, masakit din yun. Bakit? Ay, ako, tagal ko nang gusto magpa-promote. We need to assess ourselves as leaders. Baka meron something in me that I need to improve on. And the reason why I'm pushing this perspective, because we want to battle the Filipino mentality of what? Crab mentality. Kasi walang mapro-promote. Kung hindi ako na-promote, dahil ako nauna, walang mapro-promote. Hindi ko kayo tuturuan. Hindi ganun. Kaya nga we should love people eh. So that when we develop, genuine. And then, even if gumaling sila more than us, let's be happy. Going back, our time will come.